Evaluate your existing phone system. Check how many lines you have, the number of users, and any specialized needs that rely on POTS. VoIP relies on your internet connection, so your network must be strong and reliable. Ensure you have sufficient bandwidth and quality of service, COS, settings. Select a VoIP provider based on your needs like features, scalability, support, and pricing. Some popular providers include RingCentral, ZoomPhone, and Cisco WebEx. Choose your VoIP hardware, such as soft phones that run on your devices or IP phones designed for VoIP. If you want to keep existing analog phones, you'll need analog telephone adapters to convert the analog signal to digital. Work with your provider to port existing phone numbers from your POTS lines to the new VoIP system. Start with a small group of users to test the VoIP system before full deployment. Install any necessary hardware and configure the VoIP system for your network. Train employees to use new features such as voicemail to email, video conferencing, and mobile VoIP apps. Continuously monitor call quality and network performance. Set up a support system for troubleshooting issues as employees transition to the new system.